Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York PM session. Today is July 15th, 2025. Currently in two positions here, short on Bitcoin. Really got frustrated during the AM session and London session and almost blew the micro account up here. But now growing a little back here. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here. I understand why, or at least for the most part, why I was struggling during the AM session. Fibonacci wise, I was trading off of this old level here. And you can see price consolidating here in this range, so not sweeping out of the range and not buying into the range either. And actually I'm probably keeping my range a bit wide here. So I'll actually be looking right there. So looking right here structurally, you can see here, get a market structure shift that comes in here. Actually, no, let's correct that. So here we get this area. Let me double check this. Okay. So this high comes in here. The swing high comes in here. So this high comes in, and then this high comes in and closes above it here. This gives a market structure shift here. So with this market structure shift, now with price action being here with the market structure shift, what I missed is I was still looking to the downside here. I didn't make the market structure shift, which is the base of, or at least how I view the silver bullet methodology. Is like the base of it. You have to have a market structure shift, a reversal, in order to use this particular trading methodology. So now with that market structure shift, here being the low and up here being the high, this being the new structure now. So then looking for a market structure shift which comes in right here with this close here below this short-term low here. So with that coming in, creating a market structure shift, now I would be looking for a short in this area with a fair value gap in this area. So this is where I'll zoom in here. So this right here down on the 15-minute is right here on the 5-minute. You can see, actually let me double check the numbers here. This is 511. So here, this candle here, get the market structure shift with this candle here on the 5-minute. So now it would be looking for pullback and a fair value gap, which right here there's a fair value gap that I'd be looking to pull back into. But as you can see, the displacement continued and never pulled back. So this would not be an entry here in this area. But if we come forward here, I took this entry here just off of a break of structure here on the 15-minute. So with that market structure shift, that market structure shift failed when price sold below, or it failed when price, there was the market structure shift here when price sold below here. but never gave a pullback, but then sets the low here of this market structure shift is down here. So with that low being set, watching price action retrace here, and then getting another market structure shift here in this area, and we'll come up to the 5 minute here to have a look. So this being the level here, also levels here and here, but this is the level here that this candle creates the market structure shift here, and then we are in the trading window here. So this is the New York PM trading window here. So getting seeing this area, so here's the first fair value gap right here. First fair value gap right in this area, but no entry here, and then price settles in this area. I originally set a limit order for here. This candle pulled up, but this candle had buy side delivery, but then there's a fair value gap between this candle and its candle number 3 that's up here, with the fair value gap being now in this candle first, but just an overall fair value gap from this candle here down to this candle here. So I set my entry just above this candle here, and you can see I got an entry right here. So classic or basic setup here, you get this sweep of liquidity here, you get this market structure shift here, you have a fair value gap here in this area, and you get pulled back into the fair value gap, and then price is delivered here to the sell side, getting some retracement here, but holding for a deeper move if at all possible. So this this silver bullet trade, I have targeting, or my stop is just above the swing high here, or the structural range high, and targeting the structural range low, which is going to target this liquidity pool here. There's going to be sell side liquidity pool down here that I want to target, and then for this trade, for the break of structure trade, you have to come down to the 15 minute here to see this one, and scroll over here. That's the first one. Here. So targeting targeting this fair value gap, the rebalancing of this fair value gap right here. For this, looking at this for break of structure, for pullback, and then for follow through this level here to rebalance this fair value gap here. So if all goes well, I'll be able to recover some of the account, and possibly I've learned a lesson or two here. But basically what I want to do going forward is track the structure on the 15 minute using these levels here, and just moving my levels up and down or wherever I need them. That way I have a clear line where if something crosses it, it's much easier to see, as opposed to setting the Fibonacci range. It can, or here, Sometimes here with like setting the Fibonacci range, it blocks the price action, so you can't really see and get a clear picture of what's to the left of you. But yeah, just creating like clutter, even though it's a good and very useful tool, just having it present just to track range doesn't really suit my trading style. Putting it up and using it and then taking it off is going to be more of what I'm apt to do, as using just basically two lines to envelop the range is going to work better for me visually. Just keeping it very simple, and then I'm always aware of what I'm looking at. And then this trade here, the stop loss is above the range here, just above here. Actually, I'll come up here. It's just above this range here, and then the stop loss for this position here, as I mentioned, just above the current strong high structurally here. But so far, almost, if this trade works out, bring the account back into the teens, and then if all goes well, can start to build things up here, or at least slowly start to grow things and increase risk, or just start to scale in with risk here little by little. But more important than anything, being more patient, sticking to the system, letting the system work. If it shows, let it work. If it doesn't show, wait for it to show. And really, right now, I need to focus on my market structure and making sure I am looking in the right direction and having the correct bias. If I can do that and manage my risk better, keeping my sizes adequate, then I think all will be well in due time. But that's what I'm seeing here for Bitcoin and the potentially overall crypto market, looking at some potential selling into the close today and later into the session. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trading.